What is up, guys? It's Nick B here, and today we are trading live. It is June 30th. Looks kind of like a rangy day, could be a trending day. Go ahead and get right into it. Alright, our account is up $5 from yesterday. Let's go. So, I've been writing down all the things I've been learning for the past days, and I have them like yeah. It's gonna insert learn today. Today's goal. So that's a lot. A lot. Oh, but so we don't trade at 8:30 or before 8:35, but I would have sold right there. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Well, let's see, 12. And I'm also trying to use the EMA right now, and also in this case. And yeah, we would have got it. Maybe we can start trading at 8:30. Yeah. Just go ahead and take that trade then. That's scary. That was a swing here. Swing high, first entry. But it's only 3 bars. We have like, I don't know, 5, 6. Interesting. Could have switched here, but that would have been weird. I think it was a whoopty-doo high, but I guess there's only one way to find out. Gonna write down whether it was win or loss. And if we do get stopped out here, I'm gonna be a little stumped, but we're gonna have to take in consideration of that high at market opening. Just this and maybe some of these highs. Could be overall trend down at that point. I just kind of in no man's land here. We have a high here and a high there, but highs are highs. At least we didn't have any slippage. Right in the green. Oh. Alright. Better than nothing. Okay, okay, okay. We do get stepped out. Definitely has to do something with those highs. Could be the fact that they're probably using this level of resistance, but it's just like everywhere, you know? For me. Okay, looking good. Good. And we not get that. And so one tick away. Let's go. And that was a quick one as well. That was a fast one. Fast meaning it just dropped. Usually we get congestion and then we get the scalp, but a little bit congestion. Good scalp, good read. Let's go. That's freaking read, boys. Unless this was a level of support. Which it could be, or this could just be a 20%er. Those are a tiny bit lower for me. Could be a level of support, could be bad. I'm worried that this is for some reason a level of support, which I do not see. This could be just those two tests. Does have a little bit of the volatility in there. Let's see what it looks like on a minute chart. It's like third runner up. Let's see if we do this. Alright, well, hitting this low again. Overall uptrend, I think. We don't have any volatility there yet. But it does have 3 tests now. Oh, and we broke below it. Overall trend. I think it was a... Should we continue it? We never had other major rejection off of it. So... I'm gonna go for the buy. If we had another like valid test, I would say, oh, it looks like we were wrong here, boys. Or it might just be an unfortunate tick up and then stop out. Yeah, damn, bro. Fuck. So we broke below that low, and we should be continuing those, to be honest. Those are important lows because they're the lowest, highest point of the day. Actually, hold on, I'm gonna be a 20% right here. 2, 4, 6, 8, 2 ticks, 10, 12, 2, 4, 6, 2, 4, 6, 8 and 2 ticks. We come above right here, then this is definitely unfortunately a 10%er. In one of those cases we just get stepped out 10% of the time. If it comes up to here, which it most likely will, yep, so that was a 10%er. We were right on the buy, it was just where our stop was. Dang, brother. We look at this guy. Oh. And drop this to another. No? Okay, well, first entry we could have bought right there. That would have been the best buy. This is I don't even know what to call it, but same exact swings, but buying right there would have been the better case compared to that. You can see all of our other swings are most likely there. Yep, swing low first entry. Sell would have been here though. Ooh. Oh. 25, 2, 4, 6, 8 and 2 ticks. No different. No different. You're missing a trade. This one's a little weird. I wanted to push up a little bit more. Got a nice bearish bar right next to it. So yeah, I think that wick is a little scary, but that bearish bar might be able to confirm this, and I think it actually is. Continuing out of here though, that's the tough part. So we're just going to treat this as an overall downtrend. Alright, I want to triggered for this green bar already. Oh, our 3-point entry. I think we'll start calling it 3-point entry instead of non-obvious. Because we don't do obvious entries anymore. There would be no trigger on no entry yet. Our buy would be right there, which is kind of why I'm starting to like this a little bit more. This one was a little tricky, but you still would not have gotten stopped out there. I'll just treat this as the bar. Alright, I'm going to say something if we do get the scalp here. If we do get in the trade here, I should. Oh my. Alright, well, now I'm starting to doubt the thing what I was gonna say because this thing keeps pushing up. So I'm just gonna say it right now. Oh wait, just hit this level of resistance as well. Come on, push down. Get triggered here. Alright, so a couple things here. we had a strong downtrend with 2 legs. No level of support to indicate the overall trend change. Just 1 leg up. Plus, so that's going to be an overall downtrend since there was no trend change. Then you got this level of resistance to declare an overall downtrend. Not necessarily, but a little bit more evidence. Oh my god. Oh god, oh god, oh god. God. Don't be so predictable, market. Come on, go up. I'm actually going to be absolutely stumped if we do get stopped out here. Greatly consider it. Oh god. Oh god. Oh yeah, there's a good chance we get stepped out, especially if it pushes up above this bar here. Because that's where a lot of people are going to enter or exit or whatever the case may be. The 90% would enter right here on this buy, and everybody was going to get stopped out, which means we get stopped out. There it is. Now it should start reversing on us. Omega predictable. But not that predictable. I'm actually going to be kind of stumped on this one. Dang, boys. We got a second entry here. Oh, we're actually in the green. That's crazy. Nope. That was the most cliche move if we get this scalp, because here, this guy, you can see it's the leg, 2-legged correction, go long. And you can see it right here. Pretty clean. Leg up, 2-legged move. Hypothetically, we shouldn't be getting the scalp, because that's just too cliche, and a ton of people would take that trade, and which is 90% of people. Yeah, we should be getting stepped out here, just as where their low is as well. Where that low is and where their stops are, which is that low right. So I guess this was an overall uptrend, it looks like. Looks like you would have gone for the sell here, for whatever freaking reason. I guess there was an overall trend change because you have some sort of support here. I guess it is 2 legs up. Could be, it has the congestion to declare 2 legs up, so overall trend was up there. That's freaking unfortunate. Alright, might be stupid, but we're going for a buy here. Or not. But I think it's an overall downtrend now. I think taking that as a first entry and entering there is kind of silly. But taking it on this guy is Let's see. Well, if I gotten a little bit better entry, got 2 ticks, 3 ticks. Oh, this should actually be up. It's here. Now we'll move our stop up 1, 2, 3, like that. Risk less. Come on, you're almost there, you're almost there. You got it, you got it. Should be guaranteed this. Whoa. Red bar. What is selling going on? The first trade was a 10%er, unfortunate. Oh, we got the scalp, let's go. 2 wins, 2 losses, up 14 bucks. That's... Don't like that little wick. We'll just treat this as one leg. Let's show up on the miniature. So we have something in our rules that say highs that keep pushing higher in congestion might just be valid highs. But here they're kind of not. They're not in congestion really. You have this big gap in here, and they look more like legs. If we do hit this top up here, I think it might be an overall downtrend. Little slippage. Uh-oh. Not quite there, but it could be now. Which means we might have to go 5, but I'm hoping it wasn't gonna push up this high yet. Sheesh. Might be asking for too much here. Might be asking for too much there. Was it? Yeah, we recorded a lot of it. I think the breakout trader. It looks like we asked for too much there. I think if our signal bar is less than for whatchamacallit, points, like really small like this, then maybe we should go for a tinier scalp like that. Or obviously we would end up putting it below that swing and going for that scalp there. Cause what the we just gotta stop that to the tick. That's messed. Also got a swing low here. First entry, second entry. We could possibly go for this on a one tick buy if it goes back for us. What the heck is going on? Why is he up? What do I even write for that? I guess hypothetically we could have bought here on a non-obvious if we treat it as overall downtrend. Yeah, that's exactly. Oh, we're in the trade. Oh damn, is there a trend? Oh, if there is, it's better in our case because we took the correct position, which is this 1, 2, 3. And if we hit that high, we should be going for non-obvious buy. Here, no, which it looks like. I just can't get out this tick chart for some reason. There it is. Overall trend would be down, non-obvious buy. Okay, this has to work. This does not work. Actually, non-obvious buy would be this one here, like entering over here, but then you would never get into the trade because you kept pushing up here. Alright, I'm just gonna pause it till we get the scout. Go. Alright, I'm getting a little bit too close. We're gonna have to switch. Tick charts. Second entry. 1, 2, 4, 5. Guess we can take it. It is only a wick though, but it's not just one wick, it's this wick as well. So we could possibly take it. In this highs area, but it's all over the place. I'm gonna say overall trend is up. Yeah, because the highs are like way up here, and then there's a random high here. All over the place, to me at least. Hopefully we don't get burned for taking the first, for our first leg looking like that, or our first correction like. What's this look like? A little bit too close. No trade. But the sell was correct, it looks like. Maybe. Are we allowed to switch back? B. Maybe not. I don't know, man, but really liking that. The Heiken-Ashi. Yeah, I'm not gonna take any trades here, dude. It's all crazy. Jesus. So second entry triggered right here. We could take this one like first entry. We want to though. It's a little bit too close minute chart. Let's do it. It looks like an overall uptrend, only one leg down, so non-obvious sell here is what I would do. but it does have a little bit more support. We do have congestion, so it could be overall downtrend. It's kind of the repeat thing that happened before. Jesus. But yeah, there's just way too many bars, and if we switch here, just, I don't know, I don't like it. Heikin Ashi though would be looking right. Even though it does match up with the minute chart, the way it looks on the Heikin Ashi. Okay, let's see if we took that second entry. Scalp would be 2, 4, 6, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 way up here. And pretty much the same here. 1 point difference, a little bit higher. 2, 4, 8, 10, 12, essentially in this high. Oh, but we do have a swing low. First entry. Alright, at first I didn't like this correction, but it's a huge red bar. So yeah, we're try and take this all uptrend. Bars are starting to fit within 4. Within 4, so what are we looking like over here? Pretty much the same correction in there. I do like that correction. Shows up on the Heikin Ashi. But we are gonna have to adjust our scalp because our scalp's probably way down here or something. Which isn't. 2, 4, 6, 10, 12, literally at that low. Not sure if we'll get in this. Okay, well, there it goes. We'll just take that as a correction and treat this as one like that. Bro, we absolutely fumbled this day. We would have bought down here, probably got that. I know. Oh, we have it. We would not have got that skill. Interesting. But we would have got this one. That one was kind of crazy, but this one in the first century would have took. Definitely would have got that one. Well, since the market's moving and not doing anything, let's go ahead and take a look at the 8:30 opening. You know, this is actual correct data and not playback data. So, we can rely on it. Got a swing high. Don't like that entry there. Probably just treat this as one full leg, then correction, and another leg down. That's going to be a whoop-de-doo low because that's on the overnights. And you can see it's a strong downtrend as well. I'll just treat this as overall downtrend, go for the buy, and you would have got that. Now we have a weird correction there, but we're just going to take this as one leg. And that's our first correction. Here at this point, we would try and go for try not to look at the minute chart. Probably. There's a trend here. Usually trends, everything in the pre-market is iffy to use. So it looks like a cliche second entry here. It's 1, 2, 3 test right there. That'd be the third test. And so I would go for a non-obvious buy here. You can see the midline reacting there, and probably a non-obvious buy. I don't know if this is gonna work. Oh, yeah, we would have got stuff. So the pre-market, trying to use that as a trend is not the best thing. So here, just an obvious uptrend. You got the 2 legs now. Oh wait, we actually did this one, right? Yeah. We thought it was no, we didn't. No, we didn't. But yeah, you can see the 2 legs up. And I thought we did, but it's because we have the exact same thing down here. So no trend there. just gonna be overall uptrend. Go for the sell, and the reason it's overall uptrend because you got 2 legs versus 2 legs down here now. Real level of resistance here. Yeah, you have a correction there. I don't like that wick. We'll treat it as 1 leg. And then that would be 2 trades in already. So overall trend is just up. So don't use the pre-market trend line. And go for the sell. We got a swing low. First entry, second entry. Broke above this whoopie do high. This is market open, but we passed it as well. Probably not enough resistance there. So I'll just sell right there, in which we did in real time. Nice. Of course, we try to buy down here, but that's gonna be a valid level of support. Even though it pushed down a whole lot, it it's on market opening, and you can see another recent test there. So overall trend is gonna be down, but you broke below that. So actually, we were right on that. Never mind. What is wrong with my brain? Just unfortunate bars. Blah 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 blah. Alright, we got correction here. Swing high, first entry, second entry on this guy. Kind of like it. Super sudden, but that could be an overall downtrend. Maybe we can go for a buy here. Swing high, first entry. Do we like this? I like it. Burned up. Let's take it. Oh, 2 ticks off. Alright, let's correct our scalp size. Right there is where we will be scalping. Go ahead and stop. If we get stepped out, we get stopped. The second entry is showing up nowhere else though. Do we ever take these ever again if we get stepped out? Oh wait a minute. Showing some luck here. Showing some promises, some promising stuff here. And also I'd go for a buy here as well if it triggers here on the miniature, because that was a level of resistance to be reckoned with. That high should be in the market opening, yep. And that's gonna create the validation. And yeah. Go for a buy right there. Triggered right there. We're doing the risk reward because there's just such tiny bars in here. This one could probably fit within 2 points. This is probably less than, definitely less than 3 points, I think. Yep. So that's why we're going for the risk reward thing. Oh, good. Get stopped out here though. And I wouldn't know why. Could be because of our position. It could have been on the swing low. If so, then we have to heavily consider the Ganashi. Alright, I'm gonna let this run and you guys can watch. I'm gonna go see my family upstairs. Doesn't look like another setup's coming up anytime. Ooh. I think we were right about that buy though. Let's just buy market. Pretty sure we're right about the resistance being overall downturn now. I mean, we broke above it. Give it another shot. And if we get stuff down here, but in reality, our stop would be here at this low 50. 250. We do get stepped out here, we're done. We have to consider the Heiken Ashi though. Eight, 2 ticks, so 1, 2, 6150, which is 1 point below where we are right now. On that swing low, first entry, second entry, we would buy right there. But if it comes to our stop right now, which it most likely will, NT. It looks like the highs just wasn't confirmed, or continuing that is a tough one. Alright. Push up, push up, push up. Damn. Alright, we'll call it. Actually, we got a swing high first entry. Morning. Swing high first entry. It looks like it's just an overall uptrend. 75 sell. So with that one, I guess we were just stopped out. Heiken Ashi would not get stopped out yet, or actually, yeah, it would not be stopped out yet. Okay, you don't. Alright, just get up and flush the toilet. Yeah. Alright, we've been on an uptrend. There's no indication of a reversal yet. We're only having this two-legged correction, so I'm treating this as an overall uptrend still. A little iffy. Volatility is slightly low, but we're gonna leave our scalps where. And it looks like we would have got stopped on the Ganashi. Like we just had a bad read. And Like it was just an overall uptrend there. For some reason, I guess it was a whoop-de-doo high. Pretty much, it was only tested once if we think about it, and just an overall uptrend. We'll just fast forward to whether we get stopped out or not. Wait, don't tell me that other trade was just a 10. But even then, you don't want to continue these out of here, so. Ours are relatively small, so let's do a risk reward. Even trade. That's where I'm keeping my high. But let's say if we really, that's where our scalp would be. I'm gonna leave it where it is, just because of this. It's exactly right there. Probably move right above this guy. It's a really. Because it's our non-obvious sound, this is not our signal bar. I don't know what I was treating it as. Alright, so go for it. That would have been the scalp for, looks like this guy right here. That would have been that scalp. But we're going for an ours for ours. God. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Just a tad, tad, tad. Let's go. I'm putting in the W right now. The next one, which is that was that buy. Yeah, we tried to do a second entry, right? But let's stop those weak second entries. Actually, no, we just read it wrong. We could have took out a non-obvious sell. So overall high and low, you are just gonna be, or main high and low of the day after market open is just gonna be that. Come on, mate. Push on more. There you go, mate. There you go. There you go. Come on. We just put our stuff right here. I feel like we should. No, we'll just chill. Are we really risking it off for just a couple more ticks here? Yep. Could put our stop right here if we really want. I believe in Bitcoin. Let's go. Wait a minute. Plus. 1, 2, 3. 8, 9 trade. Swing high first entry. Overall trend is just down. Unless there's a trend here. Cancel. Because we can always enter again if we really need to. A little congested, but looks like there might actually be a trend. Might have been broken already. Oh, there's a trend. Trend is down, not obvious. Oh, I mean up now. That 1, 2, 3. Hopefully we're right about the line. It's not spikes, I don't think so. But we might have to adjust our scalp to the risk reward here. If we do get in the trade. Oh no, we were so close. No trade. Heiken Ashi is showing the second entry right here. Kinda want to take on the first leg, second leg. Bouncing right off this trend line as well. Take it. Let's trust the Heiken Ashi. Taking this as one leg. For desperation. Will desperation kill us? Probably. Well, actually, I think we had a spill already of this trend. Yep, looks like we already broke it, so overall trend is just down either way. Do we go for the buy? But if we do get stepped out here, I'm gonna blame the Heiken Ashi and I'll be like, should we start in the Heiken Ashi? Also, I bought a piano. Well, let's go for it right now. Trusting the Heiken Ashi here. Actually, the trigger didn't trigger on the Heiken Ashi though. Yeah, it did. Let's. Where would our stop be? Go ahead and do it right now. Well, let's just give it a second. Wait for it to create that new low and then oh, wait a minute, is there a trend? Not really. Wait. Unless we did that. Maybe, but that's kind of pushing it, I think. Well, Delta. Oh my god. I don't think we're actually gonna get this place. basically going for a scout now. Trend line continued. So it's a chance of that. Yeah. Hi. Alright, we're just gonna go for a scalp. Whatever happens, happens. Oh, wrong. This video is way too long. Empty. Alrighty, boys. Peace out. That was the overall downtrend there. But it looks like there was an actual trend working here. And I'll be overall not obvious sell. We took so many trades. Sorry now. I'm actually lost. Yeah, clear swing high for Century. Alright, swing high for Century. And the trade nonetheless. Alright, it looks like there was not an overall. It was an overall uptrend, not an obvious sell. Unless we were to buy down here, then that would have been the case at this point, but it looks like it was an overall uptrend some way, somehow. Some trend line we bounced off of. Could be a second entry or trend line here. Probably that right there. And the negative again, boys. That'll be it for today. Peace out.